In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Canva design as a PDF. Now this will work with any design, but obviously there are specific designs which are going to work better with PDFs. So I'm going to go ahead and search here for a resume, and we're going to save a resume as a PDF. Obviously you have your own design that you want to save. I'm just going to go ahead and open up a template and we will save that. So once you've got your design opened, I'm just using this design as an example, you then can obviously edit this and edit the text, edit everything, add pages and so on. This isn't a video showing you how to do that though. Once I'm happy with my resume, I'm going to go to share in the top right hand corner, and then here we can go ahead and click on download. You may have to scroll down to find it, so go ahead and click download, and then it will say here file type. You can either choose any of these file types, including PDF standard and PDF print. Now, if you want to print out your PDF, obviously choose PDF print. If you just want to share your PDF as like an ebook, or you want to share it online, choose PDF standard. If you want to print it again, select here, flatten PDF. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Then click download. And then this file that you've edited on Canva will then download into your downloads folder. As you can see, here it is. We can then open it and it views here as a PDF. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped you out.